Hello everyone, welcome to Maddie Study Center. Students, today we are going to discuss about English subject of Standard 3rd. We are going to start our first lesson, or we can say first poem of this English Bal Bharati Standard 3rd. The poem name is A Pretty Game. But before start our poem, we need to understand some important things. What are they? We are going to discuss about the same thing. By the end of this chapter, we can say chapter or poem, you will the students will be able to understand rhyming words and rhyming patterns. See, both are the same similar rhyming words and rhyming patterns. To if you understand rhyming words, you'll definitely understand the rhyming patterns also. So I request you all to see the full video, so you'll definitely understand what I just want to say you in this video. So before we begin, let's understand what is rhyme, and second point, what are rhyming words. So two questions are there. So we are going to see the first, what is rhyme. Rhymes, repetition of sound is called rhyme. Means whatever the sounds seem, so that is called rhymes. See, a poem is mentioned here. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horse and all the king men's could put it together again. So here the rhymes are there. You can see wall and fall, men again. So these green color words, it shows the rhymes, means it's showing the meaning of same. Wall, fall. Last three words you can see WALL, wall, and you can see the spell of fall, FALL, fall. So this shows the rhymes. So we have some more. Notice how the word have similar ending sound. See, wall, fall, men again. So it's comes saying similarity sounds. That's why it's called rhyme. Amazing. Now let us read the poem together and try to identify the rhyming words there. So friends, start the reading. The sun and the rain is bleak weather. Were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they meet to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Friends, you have noticed how the words in the same color have similar ending. Weather, together, chase, place, goodbye, sky. So you have seen the green, orange and blue colors, its endings are same. Because of that is these nothing but rhyming words. These are nothing but rhyming words only. We have few other examples: cat, mat, fun, run, cap and tap. So you have some more examples also. We can say cat, cat, mat, mat. So you have seen the last words are matching. Fun, fun, run, run, run. Cap, tap, tap. Last two words are similar, so it shows the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words in the same? Let us try a small quiz on the words that rhymes with bat. So options are there: cow, cat, pot, run. So what would be the same similar word, rhyming word for the bat? Yes, correct. It is cat, cat. Amazing. On the word that rhymes with burn. So options are eat, sit, run, ill. So what will be the answer? Correct. It's C, run. BUN, burn. CURUN, run. Friends, thank you for watching the video. I request you all to subscribe my channel for more lessons. Definitely we'll meet you in next session. Thank you.